So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trade with Sumant. So we are here to discuss what is going to be a market outlook for next week, what is going to be a market outlook for Monday, and what is going to be a market, how to plan for Monday for intraday, and how we will plan for for swing and everything. So that is our discussion is going to be both for swing and intraday. So coming back to the market outlook for the week, Nifty looks weak. For Monday it looks weak. It may come back again. So it is going to be a range bout. It is come back, going up, come back, going up. So it is going to be a sideways or weak. It is not going to give a that much good of a move. Okay. So same goes with the small cap. We should not touch only. Mid cap, CNS 500 everywhere. Next week is not looking that much good. Okay. Now coming back to the outlook for Monday it's going to be a bearish. Why I am telling that? So if you can so if you can see here, that FIAs are bearish on Monday and pros are also bearish on Monday, both on index and options, both places. This is what going to happen also, right? So since it is heavily bearish, like you can't see any buying only here. On long also they have sold long, and short also they have increased the shorting. So same goes with the pro also. So those two are we have to consider. So that is why looks really bearish on Monday. So okay, Monday it looks bearish. What are the bearish sector which is there? So one of the bearish sector is media, right? Second one is the consumer durables. Consumer durables is the bearish sector, second bearish sector. You can see that it is below all the EMS and it touched the EMS and it is coming back now. Breakdown has been happened. Tomorrow it may go down like this. So that is the sectors, right? So now if I come to, I have already shortlisted some stocks also. Dixon, PVR INAX, right? PVR INAX already fall up and on Friday. I don't know whether it will give fall again. Whirlpool looks really good, right? Z Limited. Okay, so two sectors, media and realty is also there, but media and consumer durables is where my focus is. Okay, so if any weakness, any kind of weakness on the Monday, if media or consumer durable opens gap down with like 0.4%, 0.5%, I will be very eager to do intraday here. Especially in that also in media, Z Limited, PVR INAX are the two stocks, right? And with consumption, Dixon is there, Whirlpool is there, Kajaria ceramics is there. So it has been formed a gap up and this is there. It breaks down from here, it will fall really good. So that is what we want, right? So we are going to do shorting on intraday. So next, coming to what is the plan for swing, right? So generally there are three ways we can play on the January, February historically also market will not be good. Okay, so here if you want to play swing, if you want to be in a market, there are three ways. One is metal sector is the bullish as crazy. So last week market analysis also, number one sector we discussed was metal. So this is the bullish sector. So one way is play with the metal sector. There are multi-year breakouts happened in our final watch list is there. Here there are multi-year breakouts are like there. Hindustan Copper is there, Hindustan Zinc are there, where we are sitting with good amount of profits also, right? So you can play with these. Second way is in the hope of budget revival. There are budget related stocks are there like railways, defense. These will also rally in the hope that in budget more allocation will be there. So you can play with these stocks, right? Third is IPO based stocks. IPO based stocks means imagine some stock is IPO has been listed, wait for the selling to be absorbed, and once the selling is gone from the IPO, once the buying up once selling is absorbed, then you enter and you make good amount of money, because IPO stocks will not follow the market, right? It will go in the direction it wants to go. So these are the three ways you can play the swing in the next 2 months. That is so, since I think 2026 is going to be a year for metals, so I am going to be with metals. Okay, that is my game plan, and I am not going to be with the budget related stocks. I am, see, our capital is limited, so I don't want to spend it on metals. Other too much I don't want to put. So if you want to know how, which are the how best to play it, we have our WhatsApp group and all, you can join there. I will share the link also below in the comment, so you can join from there and you can get the best out of it. So that's all for today. So that is the plan. We are going to short for Monday, and in intraday also we are making really good profits. There is one video is there where last week completely we have made profit with 65k capital. We have made 21k. You can watch that video also to get the how we made the money, what are the mistakes we made, what are the improvements we have done, all those things. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.